Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm glad to introduce our newest products on my right hand. There's two sections, the beverage drinkers. And we're having the units, I'm gonna give you the overall sizes first. This unit is about like 18 inches wide. And the overall include the bottom, the cup holders. It's about like 17 inches. And the height of the unit is about like 26 inches. So the units, they're using the 110 powers, and also they're having the two containers for each container, is about like 12 liters. And they have the holders right here at the bottoms and the slashes here. And we can take closer to see the inner side dimensions. When we open the top, we can see there's a spin in the middle of the machine. And for this container dimensions, it's about like 17 inches and 9 inches wide. And the depth is about like 9.5 inches. Also, the back of the units, we can take a look here. When we're looking at the behinds, we can see they have a cost sheets and the detailed information about the units using the 110 powers, 12 liter for each of the sections, and also the holding the temperatures, the 7 to 12 Celsius, and also the using the R290, the Freon, and we're having the switchers right here to control the machines. And right here we can see the plug is the 110 standard US plug. This will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.